are back in Los Corrales. I had one of my viewers, Mr. Ramirez, who said I should come back to Los Corrales and head a little north because there's a whole bunch of new stuff to discover up there, and that's what we're doing today. So we're at the normal area of Los Corrales where we usually are. You can see all these new buildings going up and my beloved Don Pios that bit the dust, unfortunately. We are going to head up the street and see what's up there. I haven't done a video that's gone much beyond this area, so today's that video. We're gonna head towards the east and see what we can find. So right off the bat, look at this. This is really cool. It's a little bar, and got some fresh bananas and all kinds of things here, and get some drinks. Seems like it's quite popular. And over here, got a whole bunch of little businesses, currency exchange, and so on and so forth. And there's a beauty salon up here. And here we have the Terra Negra restaurant. And it's quite nice. Oh, I like the mural here. Look at that. That is kind of cool. And over here we have the Luisoli Liquor and Car Wash. There's a business model I haven't seen in Canada. Look at this. Luisoli Liquor and Car Wash. Now, I understand the car wash part here, but what's with the liquor part? You drink while your car is being washed? Or I don't know what that's about, but hey, there it is. And now we're going to cross over again. And if you walk around Los Corrales, you always have to have your head on a swivel because this place is quite chaotic at times. It's not too bad actually this morning. It's cloudy in Punta Cana, it's windy, so there's not that many people out and about. And here we have another restaurant across the way. And a beautiful plaza here with different stores. I may go walk in there a little later. We've got the Cala Gourmet Restaurant. We've got a pub that has burgers and beer. And here we've got a coffee bar. Look at this. The Cala Gourmet Coffee Bar. So it's kind of nice. A little food concession here. This is the Coral Village 2. And they're clearing some water. We had quite a bit of rain here this morning. And that's as far as I'm going to go because, yeah, it's the, well, let's go a little further. Let's see what we can do. Boy, is it ever, the traffic is picking up now. And here we have a new condo development going up, a lot of buildings. And as I've said, Punta Cana is absolutely booming. There's a lot of construction, a lot of new buildings going up. Now here's my concern. It's the municipal infrastructure. It just seems that it is not keeping up with the development. Like we're getting all these really nice buildings and all the, you know, these restaurants and bars, but the roads and the sidewalks, my God, it's time to start putting money into the municipal infrastructure because I don't think this is going to thrive unless we start working on the roads and everything else here. So yeah, you know what? There's not much more past here. So we're going to head on back. And yeah, so I'm going to go into the little plaza we just saw because it seems like there was quite a few restaurants in there. So I just want to give that a bit more of an investigation, see what's in there. And then we'll call it a wrap for this Los Corrales walking video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do enjoy my content, I would really appreciate you smashing that like button and even subscribing. That really helps my channel grow. So if you can take a second to do that, I'd be deeply, deeply grateful. Now, moving right along. Oh, look at this. This is a big condo development. Oh, what a thankless job, eh? I mean, you're going to be, you know, sweeping water all day long here. Oh, my. So I'm going to have a closer look at this plaza over here. As I said, we've got that restaurant and coffee bar. This up here almost looks like an Irish pub. You're going to have a closer look at that. I see a shamrock on the side of it, so it might be an Irish pub. We have the Carissimi Beauty Salon, the Ocean Soul Jewelry and Gifts. That looks like a really nice gift shop, actually. And a real estate agency. And I do suspect that this would be an Irish pub because we have the Shamrock on the side. And over here we have another pub. My, there's a lot of nice businesses back here. So we have La Casita de Yia, Dominican food. So if you're looking for some authentic Dominican cuisine, this is probably the place to go. We've got the Smoky Pub Time. There's a lot back here. I wish I had come back here sooner. And we have a frozen yogurt shop that looks quite good. We're just gonna go under this walkway and see what's on the other side. There's a lot of restaurants back here, so yeah, you just gotta walk around the corner from the main area of Las Corrales and come out here and discover. Here we have the Bruja Barbecue and Pub. It looks very, very nice. Oh, wait a minute, I want to see some. Go have a quick look here. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's a whole bunch of other little businesses back here. This will be quite the discovery walk we're doing today. So here we have the Seretta Bavaro's Italian Eatery, and there's a bit of a lineup there, so that must be good. And we have a gift shop. We have another beauty salon up here, a real estate shop, Panaderia Havanas, and this looks like a restaurant. And it is, oh, it's beautiful back here. Oh my, a lot of nice restaurants. So yeah, there's more to Las Corrales than meets the eye, isn't there? And, oh, this is nice. This is the one we walked by earlier, Terra Negra Mexican Cantina. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You know what? My bucket list for my next video is growing by the second here. There's a lot of new restaurants I want to try that I was not aware were here. So, yeah, we're gonna go check these out. This is absolutely beautiful. And this building, I expect when we return on our next visit to Punta Cana, will be complete. And that will be a wrap for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Nothing helps me more. And guess what? That wraps up the 2025 series of videos for the channel. And I'll be back before you know it for a whole whack of new stuff. So stay tuned for that. So hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.